Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I like an out of the pack speed pick of this Master Lock 120. Brand new, sealed. So let's open it up, see what we got here. No snappy snap, but let's show the shackle here. So if you get a good time. Should be 3 pins, I believe. Well, let's see what's going on here. Well, that was out of the pack 120. I'm not really tough. But you know me, I like the small locks. Because they're easy. That's not the reason, I just like small stuff. That wasn't really fast. Give it one more try here. I'm not really happy with this one. I think the first one was the best. Let's give it one more try. Yeah, well, yeah, the first one was the best one. So that's Master 120 out of the pack. Speed picked. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.